araw po muli sa ating mga bisita na nandito. Most especially po sa ating mga ninong at ninang over here. The parents, the entire family, and sa kabuuan natin mga bisita na nandito ngayong hapon. Once again, magandang araw po and welcome. Ayan, syempre naman po before we officially begin our special program ngayong araw na ito ay nais ko po na sana makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga bisita right now. And at the same time, I would also like to check your vibe and your energy. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba akong makarinig po mula po sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan siya! Woo! You know, that's the exact vibe. The energy and the spirit we're looking for this afternoon because of course, rain or shine, the show and the program must definitely go on right now. And muli, syempre naman, this special day is a time to celebrate, rejoice, and also be united all together dahil nandito po tayong lahat ngayon at nagtipon-tipon po tayo para sa napakahalagang araw na ito para po sa ating bagong kasal for this afternoon. And muli, magandang araw muli sa ating lahat and a blessed day ahead of us and welcome aboard here at the Jade Farm and Resort dito po sa Hagonoy, Bulacan. And muli, we are all gathered here this time to witness and now to celebrate the wedding reception of our couple, our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Obozay. Yes, pero syempre naman, I know for a fact everybody here are all excited to see them more in person and up close, right? Pero syempre naman, before we proceed to that exciting part that we are waiting for ngayong hapon, syempre naman po, please allow me to, mabilisan lang, to formally acknowledge first and foremost ang ating mga ninong-ninay, including the parents of our newlyweds. Okay, so ganito na lang po gagawin. I'll be calling over, kung halimbawa po tinawag ko po ang mga grupo ng ninong-ninang, let's say ninang, tatayo na lang po kayo lahat as in all together sa kinaupuan. And kung okay lang, kayo po'y kakaway at sa mga bisita natin na para mga sikat na artista. Yes, or kandidato. Para syempre, you'll be honored and acknowledged. Same as with the parents, okay? I'll be addressing you in general, so lahat na po ito para syempre, sabay-sabay na po tayo. Okay? Pero syempre naman, let's proceed po muna dahil ladies first tayo. Let's give it up to the grupo ng ating principal sponsors, ang mga ninang. Kayo po yung mga ninang, where are you? Come on, stand up and wave your hand. Come on, mga ninang. Nasaan po mga nagagandang ninang natin? Ayun sila. Ang gaganda. Pop, diba? Legend. Walang tapon. Kumbaga napakakinis at napakaganda na ating mga ninang. Siyempre naman, hindi magpapakagod. Let's say, where's one sa mga ninong natin? Let's call our ninong. Where are they? Tayo po. Tapos wave their hand. Sa mga ninong, come on. Huwag po kayo mahiya. Be proud. Diba? Ayun sila. Hello po mga ninong. Gandang hapon po. And of course, po na tayo sa mga magulang naman for na ating bagong kasal, starting up with the parents of our group. Nasa po yung parents ng group natin. Kayo naman po, and wave to the object. Smile. Yan din. Isa po yung dati ni group. Nasaan siya? Okay. Okay. And syempre naman, hindi magpapadaig ang mga magulang or the parents of our bride. Kayo mabali. Yes. Thank you. Hello po. Magandang hapon. Ayan. Okay. Ito po sila lahat on my rock. So, syempre naman, maraming salamat. Muli isang masigabong palakpakan naman. So, our ninong and ninas, kasama mga magulang. Yan, natin bagong kasal. Palakpakan naman natin muli sila. And of course, yaman din lamang po na ipakilala ko na ang ating mga kagalang-galang mga ninong-ninang over here alongside with the parents of our newlyweds. I believe it's now time. We can now proceed to one of the most anticipated highlight na ating programa ngayon. which is of course the grand entrance of our newlyweds. Pero before anything else, nais ko na pong imbitahan ng lahat and we would like to invite everybody to please rise. Magsipagtayo na po tayong lahat. Everybody, ito na po ang hudyat. And it is about time that we are now going to welcome on stage our newlyweds this afternoon. But wait! There's more. Ayan, tama po yung ginawa nyo. Pakitingnan po mga mesa. May makikita kayo dyan na parang wand. Ayan, yan, stick wand. Kumbaga. Okay. Kuha kayo. I'm pretty sure everybody here, pag meron yan kada mesa, kuha po tayo. Very good po yung ginagawa nyo. Pero, bukod po sa ginagawa nyo na yan, itataas nyo na. Igaganan nyo. Yan. Di ba gandang tingnan? Okay. And, you're just going to basically use that as a props pagsalubong sa ating bagong kasal. Hindi lang po pagtaas ang gagawin, nagsisigaw din po tayo para ma-cheer natin sila. Ha? Hindi ko lang po. Hindi ko lang. Minsan lang po sila yung kasal. Ibigay na natin ang pinakamataas. Yes, pinakamataas na. Times 3. Times 3 talaga. Ng level ng ating energy para po sa ating bagong kasal. Kasi deserve po nila ang inyong suporta and pagmamahal. And speaking of energy po, sinama ni audio mo, no? Gusto ko kasi marinig live ang boses ng mga bisita natin. Okay? May tanong lang ako, isang mabilis lang. Just answer lang po, basic lang, yes or no, or oo, hindi. Okay? Para ma-check ko kung pwede na ba o pasado na ba ang energy ng guest natin. Okay? Here you go! Ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Parang ano, pwede na ba? O parang hindi tayo pwedeng magpakampanya sa pwede na take 2 tayo, take 2. Kailangan mas mataas pa doon para ma-maintain natin. Isa ba? Ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Ayan, naramdaman na natin. Mukhang handang-handa ng lahat. Ano? Sige, harap na po tayo sa may pintuan kung saan tayo nanggaling kanina. And I believe everybody here are all set. So now it's my brace yourself to all get ready. Because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance for one and only newlyweds, our couple of the day, or should they say, ang ating bagong kasal sa araw na ito. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome on stage Mr. and Mrs. Rene and Honey Le Oposa! Let's go! Yay! Walang baka naman natin. Let's give it up to Mr. and Mrs. Oposa! Wow! Sige po. Remain standing with everybody. Wave your wands like this. Yeah, there you have it. Okay, thank you so much, Bossy DJ. Everybody, please remain standing muna po tayo. Manatili muna tayo saglit. Yes, saglit lang po. Nakatayo. Siyempre, please wait for my go signal if you're about to take your seats. Okay pa? So, before we do that, siyempre po, everybody, meron lang po tayong dalawang pambungad na bagay na gagawin for them. Okay? And then, ito na yung una natin gagawin. Siyempre, the first thing that we're about to do, pambungad lang, bibilang po ako ng 3. Ba't may pagbilang ka ng meron? Siyempre, bibilang ako ng 3 para po sabay-sabay natin sila ngayon na mismo. Nauna, patiin lang sila ng isang mahalagang katagang. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Samahan niyo po ako. Parinig naman ako ng mga boses ninyo. Audience, ready? Kayo lang. And 3, 2, 1. Everybody say! Maraming salamat po. I love the energy ng mga guests natin ngayon. And muli, please remain standing po muli for the second thing that we're about to do. Muli, please remain standing as we're about to formally begin our program with our opening prayer and our prayer grace before meal to be led by Tita Min. Asa si Madam Tita Min to lead our invocation and meal for our for our lunch na rin. Isabay na. Tita Min! Asan po si Tita Min? Pakituro po sa akin. Surprise! Baka na-surprise ka. Halika lang. Pasensya ka na, nakalista po kayo. So, sinusunod ko lang. Ako'y sumusunod lang sa lista. Tara naman! Ayan, ako may pagturo. Madam, ako, lagot. Lagot yung Sige naman, pagbigyan niya na po kami. Ayan. Ayan, legit ma'am. Ayan. Sige po, pangunahan niyo ng ating panalangin. Sabayin niyo na rin ang ating pa-lunch para po mapaspasan na rin ang ating pagkain na kakainan.
Lord, maraming salamat po sa mga pagkain ninyong pinihanda ngayon. At sana po ay hindi kayo magbigay kalusugan sa aming mga pangangailangan. Kaya din po ay tinatalangin ko na sana ay maging bigaya ang mag-asawa ang bagong kasal. Ang lahat po na ito tinatalangin ko sa mga pangalan ni Jesus.
Maraming salamat, Tita Mian. And of course, everybody, may now take your seat. Maraming salamat din po, couple. You may also take your seat. And let us enjoy the rest of our program that we prepared for all of you. Upo na po tayo, mga nina. Sige po, okay na. Maraming salamat po. Let us enjoy the rest of our program that we prepared for all of you. Only here, once again, at Mr. and Mrs. Amoza's wedding reception. Palakpakan naman natin po sila. And Lisa, maganda. Uy, maganda ka, walang Lisa. And before we continue on with the rest of our program ngayong araw, please allow me to introduce myself first. Once again, hi everybody and a blessed day ahead of us. My name is host Riza from AMZ Events and Catering Services, and I'll be your host and your singer at the same time for the Duets Wedding. And before we proceed to one of our highlights ng programang ito, lalapitan ko muna ang ating couple na andito sila sa aking harapan. Once again, Sir Rene, and ang ganda ni Mama. Di pa lang ka naman natin. Sakayin mo ba kayo sa ganda? Yung honey ngayon. Siyempre naman hindi magpapatay ng group natin. Napakagwapo din, no? Bagay na bagay, eka nga, no? Once again, congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. Best wishes, all the best for the both of you. Meron lang po akong dalawang ipapakisuyo. Okay lang po. Before po tayo magpakain, no? Okay? So, okay lang po ba? Dahil galing po tayo City Hall kanina. I'm not sure if you did this, pero eto muna yung ating muna gagawin. Ma'am, bitawan mo muna yung bouquet mo. Ayan. Lagay mo muna sa silent. Maaari mo po bang hawakan ng kamay ni Sir Rene? Ayan. Hawak kamay ko kayong dalawa. Very good. Tapos po gusto ko kayong magtinginan mata sa mata. Medyo malagkit ng konti. Ayan. Mata sa mata. Ayan. Yun! Di ba? Ang gandang tingnan. And syempre, eto ha, I'm not sure if you mentioned your vow to your wedding. If ever not, you can, kahit siguro hindi naman vow, like any, right now, di ba syempre, you are already legally married. So, ang gagawin niyo lang, while you are looking at each other, gusto ko po sana, magbigay na kayo ng kahit anong mensahe, coming from the heart, from bawat isa, sa bawat isa. So, madam, ready ka na? Ano ba message mo sa iyong legal na asawa na si Sir Rene?
Parang ang hirap naman yata. Parang financial lang. Hindi ako nag-prepare ng vow kasi hindi talaga ako ganun tao. But alam mo na yan. Basta yun, alam mo na yun. And one thing that I would promise or make sure in our future home, wala kang makikitang ipis or I'll make sure papatayin ko yung ipis inside. Kasi alam ko na, you know, and I'll be your partner or kakampi mo, makikinig sa'yo, hahabaan ko pa pasensya ko, kung ano-ano man yan. Alam mo na yan. Medyo less words tayo. Kulang yata. Love you.
Palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Honey. And of course, this time, we will be hearing the message naman mula kay Sir Rene to his wife, Ma'am Honey. Go, sir.
Bunny. So Ugma. So that's what we call each other. So we talked about why we call it Shogyeongma, because it's tomorrow. So it's like tomorrow in Bisaya. So this is the beginning of a new chapter in our life. So what I can commit to you is I'll always listen. Like you said, I'll be your kakampi. Um, there's a lot of challenges that we have to face and we have faced before. But, you don't have to do it alone moving forward because you'll have me. I love you, Wani.
Palakpakan naman natin sila. And of course, the second thing that we're about to do, syempre, hindi po ito yung considered yung speech later ba, yung parang pa-thank you. But for now, for those guests na naka-witness kanina nung wedding ceremony niyo, baka may gusto kayong sabihin for those guests po na nakapanood ng ceremony niyo kanina, baka may gusto kayong sabihin or anything. Word of thanks po. Ayan, kahit isa lang po sa inyo representative. Then, meron po kayong hiwalay ng message later. Mamaya pa naman. But any message lang po for our guest. And of course, naka-witness po kanina ng inyong ceremony.
Okay. So, to everyone, thank you for being here. So, hindi namin expect na yung mga tao na nandito, most of them will be here. Kahit even as minute na-inform. So we actually planned this without a coordinator. So it's just us talking for the past year. Planning saan gagawin, ano yung budget, ano yung concept. So we really appreciate everyone being here. Looks like everyone's enjoying, and hopefully everyone will enjoy more. It's a small crowd, but that's what we want. We want everyone to enjoy. We want everyone to know each other because that's family. So that's what we wanted to start, and that's what we want to start here. So thank you, everyone.
Palakpakan naman natin sila. And hindi pa po yun yung kanilang word of remarks sa closing remarks. Mamaya pa po. Yun po yung pa-thank you lang nila as gratitude dun sa mga nag-effort po. Like right now, yung mga dumayo po here in our venue and nakisama po sa akin to celebrate the reception. But for the meantime, eto na nga. So before we continue, let me have a quick time check po muna. Once again, at time check, it's already saktong-sakto lang, 12:32 in the afternoon, and that time check is brought to us by the ANZ Events and Catering Services. And of course, we would be pausing over the program po muna, or yung po muna po pansamantala ang ating programa so that we can now enjoy our lunch. Diba kanina pinakunahan na itignan ng ating prayer? This time, makinig po tayo para po makasunod po. Mabilis lang naman. So, before we proceed to our catering behind there, magkakaroon lang po tayo ng mabilisang photo per table or picture taking per table po. No? So, meaning to say, lahat po ng bawat grupo na magkakasama on our long or round tables ay tatawagin ko po per table number. So, I believe each table po has corresponding table numbers. Pa-check na lang po. Para guided po tayo. Again, please be guided accordingly. Baka kasi mamaya, number yun ang tinatawag ko. No? So, pupunta muna po. Kailangan muna lumapit sa kapo. Picture ng mabilisan. Right after the picture, proceed po tayo sa ating catering and that's it. Okay? Vice versa po. Again, we still have our booths over here. Photo booth, the coffee bar, and meron din tayong pag-racing pa po sa gusto pa ng additional food. Okay? So, misado natin yung mga VIP. Sige, VIP 1 muna. Kasama, magkakasama na. Tara po. VIP 1 please. Ayan. Dito na po tayo. What do you mean, sir? Kayo na lalapit? Paano ba kung ano? Nakaupo na lang. Sila lalapit po, yan. Kasi po, mamaya naman, you'll be having another photo pag kumakain sila. Sige, sila po muna. Para maayos lang po yung pila. Then mamaya naman, iikot po kayo. We'll give you the time to move around naman. Ayan, sige. VIP 2, mga madam, mga nagagandang mga madam natin, with the parents, standby na kayo. Yes. Pagkaraan po nila, kayo na po agad. Then table 3, 4, hanggang tutong table po. Ayan. Sige po. By the way, our dishes and menus that we are about to enjoy and experience right now, brought to us by ANZ Advanced Eatery Services. Pero din po tayong palitsyon sa side and kakanin. But you may grab one para may additional po tayo for dessert. Yes, sure.